Sweet lime summer fruit salad recipe. Yield, approx. 4 cups. Prep time, 10 minutes. Total time, 10 minutes. Ingredients, salad. 1 mango, peeled and cubed. 1 cup, 150 grams, fresh blueberries. 1 cup, 150 grams, purple grapes. 1/2 cup, 75 grams, fresh strawberries, quartered. 2 kiwis, sliced or cut into cubes. Ingredients, dressing. 1/2 lime, juice and zest, approximately 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. 2 teaspoons, 5 milliliters, agave syrup, optional. Directions. 1. Add all fruit to a bowl. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the agave syrup and lime juice, then add to the fruit and toss to combine. Serve immediately. Enjoy. Notes. 1. Variations, add any fruit of your choosing, such as raspberries, oranges, apples or pears. 2. Storage, store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 day. If possible, it's best to store the dressing separately and mix with fruit when ready to serve to keep the fruit fresh, crisp. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.